Black bean harvest. Check this out. I got black beans here. They're fixing to turn dark and dry out. Actually, if I move around over here to this side, definitely have some right here. These guys are ready to harvest. Right there. So we got all these bean plants. I should have my scissors with me. I'm going to break this whole plant. And I'll move us over here to the work table. But break this open, and there it is. Black beans come out of the pod. This leaf is in the way, and black beans, they just come right up out of the pod there. There's another one. The filming quality ain't the best, but that's my first little harvest of black beans. So, and I got a whole bunch more back there that are ready to come off and to be harvested. And I found a new area that I intend on doing a lot of planting back there. So I'm planning on increasing the harvest from not only to inside of these pots that I have growing. I got this pot here. And over there I have another pot there, and those are ready to harvest. But down the way there against that fence, there's a whole bunch of beans that are growing, and again they're ready to harvest. But all the way in the back where that wooden fence is, back there where Bob the Builder, my scarecrow, is, I'm going to plant back there, because in those pots I have black beans that are just like Jack and the Beanstalk. Those things are growing like crazy. So obviously the beans, they don't mind the heat, but they sure love the shade. So I'm going to start growing them back there, because that particular area gets full shade. So I'm hoping to get a really great harvest by using that method. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll keep you guys posted on it. So anyway, y'all have a great day, and this is Papa Guac, and we'll be seeing you around. Bye now.